So standard 8, welcome back in lesson number 5, expansion formulae. This is our first lecture in this. Some formulae I want to give for exercise 5.1. First of all, we will see those formulae in this video so that it will be easy for you. And then afterwards we will start for the exercise. First formula, x plus a plus b formula I will first of all give you. A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b bracket square, this is second formula, is equal to a square. Here only this sign will change, minus 2ab, and this plus b square will remain. Third formula, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And fourth formula, a minus b bracket cube is equal to, as it is, here it is plus minus this way, means a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b cube. See this plus minus, this way you can remember this. And the fifth formula of this lesson, x plus a into another bracket x plus b. See that the first term is same, here also x and here also x. If it is like this, then x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the 5 formulae. You have to learn these 5 formulae. A plus b bracket square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b bracket square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b bracket cube, a cube plus 3a square b, and all this. So you have to make those formulae very clearly. So we'll go for the exercise 5.1. Some of the questions I will take from 5.1. Exercise 5.1. The first is a plus 2 and a minus 1. See this. WKT means we know that WKT x plus a into another bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is our formula. Now here, but we have this, therefore x plus a plus 2 into another bracket a minus 1 is equal to, here it is x means a, see this, so it will be a square plus a plus b, a means this and b means this. What is that? 2. And this is minus 1, 2 minus 1, x plus ab, a is 2 and b is minus 1. So this answer will be a square. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 we don't write. Here it will be a, not x. Plus 2 minus 1, 1a. 2 1 are 2, minus 2. This is the answer for this. So the next sum I will take, that is fifth one. Fifth sum, 3x plus 4y into another bracket 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 5y. This sum we have to do. As usual, we will write this sum I am taking here so that it will be easy for me. The fifth one. The question is here. 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 5y. So this formula I have written. Therefore, this x means this 3x, a means this, x means this, and b means this. The same way we will just put x square means the first term square, 3x square plus a plus b, a means this and b means this, 4y plus 5y into x. At x, what is our 3x into 3x? Put the bracket. Plus a into b. A and b means 4y into 5y. That is equal to 3 square is 9. X square is x square. Plus this will be 4 plus 5, 9y. So 9y. See this. Into 3x plus 4 5 are 20. Y into y is y square. Multiplication means addition of the indices. Y raised to 1 into y raised to 1 means y raised to 1 plus 1, that will be 2. So that is equal to 9x square plus 9 3 are 27 xy plus 20y square. Whether you are writing x first or y first is not important. Hope that you have understood this. Now the next sum I am taking in the same exercise, that is the seventh one. Seventh is m plus 2 upon 3 into another bracket m minus 7 upon 3. So what we know that we have written, WKT means we know that. Now here it is m plus 2 upon 3 into another bracket m minus 7 upon 3 is equal to x means this is our x, this is our a, this is our x. See that it is same and this is b. See that the first term should be same. So m square plus a plus b. What is a? 2 upon 3 plus minus 7 upon 3. That means minus 7 upon 3 into x. At the place of x ours is m plus a into b. 2 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 3. So that is equal to m square plus this minus this 2, this is 2 minus 7 and denominator is same. That's why we have written like this m. This plus, this minus and this plus, their product will be minus 7 to the 14 upon 3. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 will be 9. So 14 upon 9. So that is equal to m square. This see minus 7 and plus 2. That will be minus 5 upon 3 m minus 14 upon 9. This will be the answer for this. Hope that you have understood this exercise well. The ninth one I will take. Hope that you will understand that also. Ninth one is 1 upon y plus 4 into another bracket 1 upon y minus 9. the formula we have written. This is 1 upon y plus 4. See that for x this is this. And into another bracket 1 upon y minus 9. This is the same thing. First term is same. So this will be 1 upon y bracket square plus a is 4, b is minus 9 into x. At the place of x it is 1 upon y. 1 upon y. Plus a into b. A is 4 into b is minus 9. You can put the bracket to 4 also. 1 square is 1. Y square is y square. This is minus 5. And this will be into 1 upon y. Means upon y. Minus 5 into 1. Minus 5 upon y. Minus 9 for the 36. This is your answer. And here we will stop this lecture. In the next lecture we will see exercise 5.2.